Hi all my lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha, and today I'm back with another great recipe, another great copycat recipe I must say. In this video I will be showing you how to make Little Caesars stuffed crazy bread. I'm sure you will be in love with this recipe, and I will try to make it very simple way and keep it very simple so anybody can make it in your home, in your own kitchen. So let's get started with the recipe. And if you enjoy watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Ingredients will be listed in the description box as well, so please check it out. I will be using stand mixer to knead my dough, but you can do it by hand. So first I will be adding salt. So just add a salt here, and then I'm gonna just mix it a little bit, like stir it. After stirring it, now next I will add sugar on top, and then I will add yeast on top. Now if you have watched my previous video, then you will know, any bread making video I have uploaded on my YouTube channel, you will know that I never proof my yeast. The reason is this is much easier, and the most important that I know my yeast is good, it's not expired. And the second reason is the water I use, the water temperature I use is right, so I will not kill my yeast anyway. So that's why I like to add everything in here. But if you are making very first time, then please, I would recommend to proof your yeast in the water separately. That way if something goes wrong, you will at least not be wasting all the flours and ingredients. Like I said, I know my temperature of water and the yeast, so I always add it right into the flour. And again I'm gonna give it a stir, and now I will add water. Just going to hold on to this much of water, so most of 80% water I have added here, and then on top of that I will add my oil. Now I will start kneading a dough and add water as I need it. So I have used all of my water here. Our dough is ready. Let me show you. So my dough is ready. And now what I'm going to do is going to let it rise, let it proof until it double in the size. And I already have oiled the bottom, as you can see. So I'm just going to dip this dough into the oil. Now you can put it anywhere in a warm spot in your kitchen where it can rise very well. So as you can see, it has double in the size. And now I'm going to take it out onto this mat here. Now you want to spread your dough, and as you can see my mat is rectangle shape, so that's what I'm going to do. I will try to roll it in a rectangle shape. So as you can see, I have rolled it in rectangle shape. So for our stuffing, I'm using this cheese sticks, so I can put it each sticks like this, and I will just fold it over. So that's why I kept 12-inch long, so I get all the breadstick on exact size. Now if you don't want to use this, you can use shredded cheese as well if you don't have this. And I find this way easy, but if you want to make it individual, you can just divide this dough into equal sections, 6 or 8, and then individually stuff cheese in it. I will also show you how to make the individual stuffed breadstick if you're not comfortable with this way. And these are the string cheese I'm using. So as you can see, I have laid 5 cheese sticks or strings like this. Now you can easily fit 7 cheese sticks over here, but just I want to show you how to make the individual breadsticks. So I'm just gonna put 5, so that way with the excess dough I can show you how to make the individual breadsticks. And now I will gently fold this over, just like this. So after folding it over, I will make sure that I cut it into equal size. So the extra dough first, I'm going to cut it off. Press it so you know where you're cutting it. So as you can see, I have cut it all. And now you're going to take one and just go like this. You can just, I will show you two ways. You can just roll it like this. So you have this stick ready. Or you can just leave it as it is, and with the baby fork or normal fork, you just go like this to seal it. Or you can do this. Whatever works for you, you can do it. So all the 5 sticks are ready. So you want to take a baking tray and transfer it all onto the baking tray. Now I'm going to show you the other way to make breadsticks. So we already have prepared 5 sticks, and this is extra dough from the previous sticks we made. And from this you can simply make 3 or 4 more breadsticks. So I'm going to show you how you can make it from the divided dough. You're going to divide it into 4 equal balls like this. Now take one dough ball and just roll it oval shape. And now you want to put the breadstick right into the center. Now if you think this is too much cheese, you can simply cut it in half and use it. Now I'm going to cover this with this dough. The cheese stick should be covered with the dough like this. And this is also easy method, but just seal it properly so that way cheese doesn't ooze out from the sides or the back. Now this is, if you prefer, you can prepare your sticks like this. So I'm just going to spray oil or butter on top so they don't dry out. You want to let this rise for another 20 minutes over the counter. So after 15 minutes, you can preheat your oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm just going to cover and let it rise. Now here we are going to prepare our butter topping. So for that, here I have 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Into that I'm going to add half teaspoon of granulated garlic or garlic powder and pinch of salt. If you're using unsalted butter, then add more salt. Now just mix it up. If you like parsley, you can also add parsley here. Now our butter topping is ready. Now keep it on a side. Alright, it's been 15 to 20 minutes. Now I'm going to bake this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 23 minutes or until it gets nice golden brown color. So my breadsticks are ready and out of the oven, and as you can see, some breadsticks are oozing out the cheese, but that is okay. This cheese, once it's cooled down, is gonna crisp up, so you can eat it as a cheese chips. Breadsticks are still hot, and now it's time to apply our butter topping on them. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to support to my channel, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to watch all other videos listed right here, and like this video and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.